Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
We are going to Hobby Lobby! May titignan kasi ako dyan mga kachupapi. Yung mga basing aesthetic na flowers. Diyan makikita. So titignan natin. They have Christmas tree already.
Halloween and Christmas stuff.
Let's go in the and the plants. Fake plants. Yan. I know they have daisy here. Because I was looking. Ayan yung mga flower nila. Hanapan ko yung daisy flower. If they have. But if they don't, I'm just gonna buy online. Ganda. Hello, they don't have. They don't have mga kachupapi. Wala silang plants ng daisy. Hey! Tara naman tayo sa mga sa mga ganto-ganto. Kano to? $9. Hanap ko yung daisy. Bakit wala? Saan kaya yung... Ayan. I like this one. 19. Ang mahal naman. Ito kasi pang aesthetic kasi ito mga kachupapi. Ayan. Ba't ang mahal? 19. Ito how much? Ito $9 lang. Ito pang display to sa labas ng ng bahay niyo. Labas ng pinto. Ayan, pwede yan. Ito rin. Ito mga kachupapi pang aesthetic. And then ito panlagayan din ng mga wala na, yun lang. Mahal nga lang dito sa Hobby Lobby kasi mabibili mo naman na sa online, may mga mura, kaya lang dito medyo mahal, expensive here. Tingin tayo dito. Wala talaga yung yung hinahanap kong eucalyptus. Yung ganto naman is meron akong ganto. Dito rin ako bumili. Ay, ito pala, baka nandito. Tingnan natin, baka nandito siya. Ang hinahanap ko kasi yung daisy flowers. Maliliit na white and yellow. Parang siyang ganito mga kachupapi, pero white lang siya. Ito kasi iba-iba kulay Ito yung hinahanap. How much? How much is this? They don't have smaller.
Oh, $26.99.
26. Expensive.
That's
I'm gonna buy online.
1,250.
Ang ganda mga kachupapi
You should get online. Maybe it's cheaper.
Ha?
You should get online. Maybe it's cheaper.
Yeah.
Maybe for $10 or not for $26.
Yeah.
$26.99. $27.
Dito ako bumibili ng mga tela. And eto, may mga iba pa rito. Tingnan natin kung meron pa silang ibang design. Tingnan natin mga painting kung may mga bibili ba tayo. Ito pang pang mga pag malapit na yung Halloween, ayan, bili ka ng ganyan. Marami dito pagkapunta ko ng Hobby Lobby, puro mga design sa bahay ang makikita mo. Maganda rin. Di ba? Ganda. Let's check it out. I like this one. Jesus.
Wow, decor, marked home decor, 50% off.
How much? This one.
He brought me out to a spacious place, and he rescued me because he delighted in me. My Lord, my Shepherd. Because of the Lord's great love, we are not consumed by his compassion.
Ay, ito yung mga ano. Ang ganda. Lagay ng bawang sibuyas. Di ba? Magkano ito?
Can you itch my back real quick? Upper left.
Top? This?
Mm-hmm. Middle. Go in the middle.
Ay, I like this one. Hey, plant stand.
It's for plants.
$10.
All for plants.
Mahilig kasi ako sa mga kahoy-kahoy, mga ganito, mga kachupapi. $12.
For a little kid to sit on, but actually it's just for plants.
Yeah. Ang ganda ng mga aesthetic na lagayan dito. Kaya gusto ko dito pumupunta. Kaya lang medyo mahal. May mga candle. Ayan. Laundry. Coffee emerald. Meron din silang mga ganyan. Ay, ang ganda. I like this one.
Yes.
Oh, aesthetic wall. How much is that?
$13.99.
And then 50%.
So it's about $7.
Can I buy it? How you do it? You're funny. I like that one.
That one?
Yeah, so I'm not gonna buy the painting anymore. I'm just gonna put that one. No.
Why man does not include seasonal department. You're gonna hang it on the wall?
Yeah.
I don't think that's what it's used for.
It is. It is for the wall. I saw that something in the in the Facebook. But you need to buy the different design.
This is a frisbee. You jump and then you. How about that one? It's better.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Buy 3 different design, different size.
No, just the blue. This
Only one?
yeah.
It's not only.
Oh, we don't have a lot of space for everything.
It's very light. It's very light. How
Yeah,
much?
The other ones are not so pretty. This one is better.
23.
23, so 50%, that would be about $12. And this
Ito po.
one,
But when you put it on the wall, you should be different design.
yeah, this one goes in the middle. You can put other stuff on the side.
Yeah, what else?
You can find it, but not those. Those are great. I don't like those.
This one, oh. It's good. That one.
That one?
This one, oh. Oh, I don't think this one is for. Oh, yeah,
This
yeah.
one is.
Hold on. How much? Ay, expensive.
Because it's probably used for something.
26.
Put your corn tortilla in there, and then you start cooking it.
Alam, nilaro na ng asawa ko. Mabaliw. Oh, ano na naman ang ginagawa mo sa buhay? Ano?
How about this?
Hey, it's not good. Why it's always 50% off there?
Well, we're probably trying to get rid of some of this stuff.
And then buy something like this. No. Ayun, ang ganda view. I will walk by faith even when I cannot see.
Put this in the middle and 2 pictures on the side.
No, it's not good. It should be all circle. Maybe this one.
That one's just as
Oh, then this one then.
No, it's not for the wall.
It is for the wall. Look.
That one's no.
It should be like this, oh. Put it like that. Put it like that. I'm gonna buy.
These don't even match.
Someone's calling you. May aesthetic pillow din, oh. $13 lang siya, mga kachapafi.
Corey just brought it up, so I thought I'd double check with
Ang ganda. I wanna buy. Ito rin, may mga pang aesthetic din siya sa wall. Ito naman pang girly-girly na to. Yan, tagal ko nang hindi nakapunta dito sa Hobby Lobby. Kaya lang medyo expensive kasi dito kaya hindi ako nakakapunta eh. Ayan o, color pink. Pink. Pagka medyo mahilig ka sa pink. Ay, ito maganda rin to ah. Jesus Love Me. Ayan o. Oh. Ganda ah. Pang aesthetic wall. $24. Medyo mahal.
You still want this one then?
Yeah. Why? Why they call you?
Just my human resource guy.
Ah.
Just calling him to confirm and check about our
This one pala oh.
Monday.
Ayun oh. I like this one. $7. And then that one. Oh, diba?
How much is it?
$7.
It's not 50% off. Oh, is it?
It is.
Okay.
So how much is it then?
If it's 7, there's 350. No, actually, no, it's $14.99, so it's 7.
Oh, this is the 7 one.
I don't think you like this one. How about these?
No, I don't like that.
You don't like?
I like brown because our wall is brown. Is white. Our wall is white.
How about that one? I love you, little one.
Ang ganda oh. Babe, buy me this one.
What's this?
Throw pillow.
You have lots of pillows.
Okay, we're not
What are you
gonna-
going to use it? On the chair?
Yeah.
What is it?
13.
Huh?
$13.
$13? It's a 50% off.
No.
Oh, it's already discounted.
It is?
Yeah, because it's yellow.
Oh. Hello, donut.
It's XO.
Ah, XOX. Okay.
Get this because they don't match. You want 2 of these?
Only one. Different.
And then what?
And then this one.
And then that one?
Mhm.
Nope, they don't really match.
It should not supposed to be much because
You get a big one, little one?
look, put it there. See? It's much. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Ganda rin na ito, oh. Like this one?
Okay, we got these already.
Also be this one.
And this one's quite match.
It is much.
It's a different brown. These 3 have the same color. I got these 3. Let's stick with these 3.
Okay. Oh, ito B, this one. Oh, this one is much, ha? Oh. 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 Yes. $21.
Yeah, it's too expensive.
Ah.
Not for $21.
Ah.
Maybe it's-
Ah, this one, oh. Oh. This is... How much is this? $9.
$9.
Oh,
I mean, it does match a little bit.
it's pretty vegetable. This one is much. $25.
You should get stuffed animals and hang it on the wall.
No, ugly. Not good design.
Lots of paintings here.
Ito yung mga painting nila mga kachupapi. 50% off din.
Well, how much are the paintings? Maybe we should get the paintings instead of these.
This one is...
How much is it?
Cannot see the price.
It's probably expensive.
Cannot see the price. Ayan o.
You see one you like?
This one I like.
That one?
59.
It's kind of cool. And it's 50% off, so it's $30. I think we should get painting instead of these.
This is not painting. This one is scratched.
Well, it kind of is. Well, it's not actual painting, but it's still art.
You like this one? This is Paris.
It's Paris.
Maganda ba? Do you like it?
It's okay.
Looks not good. Ano pa ba dito? That's it they have. What else do I have here? Here. Ito pala ba Oh, this one's cheaper $10. Oh, and then 50% off. It's $5 only. Oh,
But it doesn't match. It's a lighter brown. If you want to get it, it has to kind of at least match these.
oh. Okay.
It's cute, isn't it?
Hello.
Yeah, look at his face. He's like, look what you've done to my hair.
Ang cute.
That's pretty awesome, though, huh?
$15.
You like?
No,
That's
but
cute.
we don't have cut like that eh.
It's like disco ball.
Maybe I should buy this one.
You hang it on the wall.
This one expensive. Ano mo makachupapi?
Definitely are.
Expensive pala yung ganyan.
It's 1,000, 2,000, 5.
That's for one to register, please. That's for one to register one.
Ito yung mga gano'n lang. Nakita ko rin ang maliit na kutsara. Kutsara.
That's what you want?
Yes.
Well, don't you want the metal ones?
I want wood.
You want the wood, the small one? Is that small enough? It's still too big.
Like it? No. It's okay. And then they have mga garapon, mga ganyan. Lagay ng itlog. Kaya hindi naman natin kailangan yan. Hey, look, look.
Thank you. Keep into your register, please. Keep into your register.
Is that not for the coffee?
It's teapot. That's just like
Cancel, Caitlin.
Are you sure we're gonna buy that one?
you want it.
Bring into your register, please. Bring into your register. Thank you.
Ito naman. $28. Expensive. Breakfast bed. $28. Expensive pala. Ito Ito naman $23. But it was, 50% off yo. So, can I buy what I want?
If I like it too, sure.
I like this one.
If it's your,
Garlic, onion.
you already have a basket for that.
Yeah. But that one is, it's not good.
What do you mean it's not good? The metal is probably not as good because then it's very hard on the produce. The basket is soft, so it's better. You're gonna bruise up your produce. You keep coming back to that one
Because I like it.
because it's so small and cute.
Yeah.
Danny's gonna sit on it. Be broke.
And this one,
He's gonna see it and he's gonna
$10.
say, "Oh, it's a chair."
Ito, this is for cake, oh. B. For cake.
We don't do enough cake.
I like this one. It's only $5, so six.
For Kiki to sit on. What are you
Aesthetic.
gonna use it for? For
Put,
aesthetic?
yeah, put my plants.
Put your plants.
Yeah. Well, what? This one? Why you didn't like this one? This one is better than that
How much
one.
is that one?
Same price.
Is
That one is 12. This one is 11.
Oh, let's get that one then.
And it's 50% off.
Okay. So this one is a little bit polished.
Yeah.
Danny's gonna sit on it. Oh, it's a chair.
Where?
Danny's gonna look at this one.
Alexa, 12.7, please. Alexa, 12.7. Thank you.
I'm like, what is this? Hold on. There's another chair.
No, I'll stick with this one.
This one is $7.
I like this one better.
And this one, what is this for? Candle?
Probably.
Holding for. I thought it was mushroom. Ayun yung mga pang design nila.
Holding mushroom.
Yeah. Pang mga nila. Ang ganda talaga dito, mga chupapi. Kaya better na pag pumunta kayo dito, laging sale. Hold on. Can I buy one one vase? Bango. Ay, this one be for rice. Now we found it.
No, I think not. What we have now is 50. That's not gonna fit anymore inside the house.
Oh. This is all dogs. For dogs.
For dog food.
Ito yung binili ko din. Ito yung binili ko nakaraan.
Is that the one you found over at Goodwill?
No, we bought it here. Remember? Hold on. I'm just gonna look. Check ko dito yung paborito kong... May paborito kasi akong ganito dito. Kaya lang... mahilig akong mangolekta ng mga ganito mga chupapi. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. How much? Ay, $7 bill.
You don't need any more please.
Lovey, hold it.
You can't, my hands are full.
Ay, nakakatakot. Ayan pa siya. Ito $4, $5 B. Ay, I like this one. B, I like this one.
A little vase? How much is
$1.
it? Huh?
$1.
Okay, you can get a mini vase.
Cute. Oh.
You want to get two for matching set?
No. Only one. They don't have the one that I like anymore. I think it's gone. Ang dami ko namang gusto. Kapagod na yung asawa ko rito sa akin. How much is that? It's $8. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Ito yung gusto ko. Nabili ko rin. $1. Meron siyang ganyan, no? Dito rin ako bumili ng fake plants, eh. Ganito yata yung nabili ko dati. Ay, ayan yung nabili ko, no? This is the one that we have, right?
Something like
60,
that.
60 something.
$63.
$63.
It's very expensive.
Ito may mga flowers din. So, uwi na kami mga kachupapi. Tama na to.
Thank you.
Naka-sale na yung mga Christmas tree dito. Very ganda. 50% off. Kaya lang meron na kaming Christmas tree last year. Yung nabili namin. Kaya lang ito maganda ang ka-show coffee. Gusto ko yung ganito. Ganito yung kanyang ano. Gusto ko yung ganyan. Parang normal na ayan. $189.99. Ito naman na ikot. Kaya lang yung amin yata parang ganito siya. Parang ganito yata yung amin. Ganito yata yun. Ganito yata yung Christmas tree namin. So 7.5. Ganyan na ganyan yung aming Christmas tree. Malapad. Pero kung next time ako bibili, gusto ko yung color white naman para iba-iba. Iba siya. Ibang color naman. Ito gusto ko. Ayan, ito. Maliit lang siya. So, ayan po siya. Ganyan. $114. Ayan. Malaki na rin, oh. Pero mapayat lang. Skinny Christmas tree. Pagka ito naman, medyo malaki na to. Wala na, hindi nakakasya sa bahay namin. So, balik na ako. Baka mamaya hindi na naman mapunch to. Baby! Forgot.
We do it every other week.
This furniture. Hold on, I'm just gonna. Ah, this one is. Oh, I like this one. Tignan natin kung may maganda silang furniture. I like this one. Why? Why you do that? How much? 89. Ay, 84. So expensive.
A lot of this is probably handmade. That's where it's expensive. Handmade.
Ewan ko ba? Pag tumatanda na tayo, mahilig tayo sa furniture. No!
When we move to a bigger house in the future,
I like
we can
this
buy more
one.
stuff.
$88. Ang ganda, oh. Parang totoo.
We'll be here in the future. It's not going anywhere.
Nice.
A bigger house. We can do more interior. That'll be for the future.
Ito na nga. Oh. So, uwi na kami mga kachupapi. At papakita ko sa inyo later sa pag-uwi namin yung aming pinamili. Daan kami dito mga kachupa sa Goodwill. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga magaganda rito. Kasi gusto kong bumili ng mga kaik-ikan sa bahay. Pero may pera naman ako. Sa ngayon, meron naman akong $60. So, tingnan natin kung Saan naabot ang $60 ko sa Goodwill?
Sorry. There's a dip in the front. That's it.
Okay, let's go! Kachupapi! Magwaldas tayo ng pera. You want water?
You want to bring it?
Yeah. Aba. Is it allowed? Sir, in restaurant not allowed to bring water.
But any place you can bring it. In the restaurant, they don't want you to bring it. Because they want you to buy their stuff.
Okay.
Captain.
Let's
Oh, you know what? I'm going to go back and get my phone.
Why? Okay, I'll wait for you here.
In case there's a call, I don't want to miss it.
So, check natin dito kung anong meron. May blower din sila. Hindi ko naman na kailangan need ng blower dahil may blower pa kami. Ano kaya meron dito? Ito kasi papi 99 cents. Ito pang wine 199, pero hindi ko naman kailangan yun. Ibang kailangan ko eh. May wallet ang cute ng wallet. Finally na mga kachupapi, nakauwi na ako at ito yung mga pinamili namin. Bumili ako ng linen curtain and then mga picture frame na ilalagay namin sa wall. Yan ang ayos yung parang asawa ko to. Ito yung mga pinamili namin mga kachupapi. Magandahan ako kasi very aesthetic. Malagold. And then bumili ako ng dalawang ganito. $2.99 ang isa. And then bumili rin ako ng ito yung ating pangsinigang. Bukas na ako magsisinigang.
Hey, where's those little tools?
What?
Those little hooks and...
Oh, you put it on the...
It's not in the garage. I left them in here. I put it up here. Where did you move it?
Oh! Up there.
Oh, up here.
And then ito yung binili namin sa bukas na ako magde-decorate ako dito. Bukas. Pero ngayon, ano muna tayo. Ano akong gagawin mo. Binili ako ng ganites.
Do we have any more old frames?
Okay. Kasi nagusto ako mga kachupapi. Wala stress na mga kachupapi. So, kailangan ko muna matulog and mag-shower dahil pagod na ako. So, ayun lang mga kachupapi. Thank you for watching. God bless!